we wish to compute the derivative of the natural log of x cubed plus 2. So the natural log of the quantity x cubed plus 2. So this is a composition. X cubed plus 2 is inside of the logarithm. And the derivative of the logarithm, the natural logarithm of x, ln of x, the logarithm with base e, the derivative of this is equal to 1 over x. That gives us the slope of the graph of the logarithm curve. So for this problem, we need the chain rule. So I will start by writing y equals the original function. So then what we're looking for is the derivative of y with respect to x. Now this is a composition, so I can add an intermediary variable. I can write y equals the natural log of u, where u is x cubed plus 2. So we let u equal the inside function, and then y is the natural log of u. So to continue, we want dy dx by the chain rule. Dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Originally, we had a complicated link here between y and x. By adding in the intermediary variable, we now have 3 variables. Y is linked to u via the equation y equals ln of u, and u is linked to x, where u is equal to x cubed plus 2. These are simpler links, and we can find the derivative of each of those by just knowing basic derivatives. For example, dy du is asking for the derivative of natural log of u with respect to the independent variable u, and that would be exactly the same as saying the derivative with respect to u of natural log of u is 1 over u, just using this exact same formula, but with u as the independent variable instead of x. So this is 1 over u. And then du dx, the derivative of x cubed plus 2, is 3x squared from the power rule. And then using the sum rule plus the derivative of 2. And then using the constant property, the derivative of a constant is 0, so plus 0. So I don't have to write that. The derivative of this x cubed plus 2 is just 3x squared. And now we have an answer. We have 3x squared over u, but we should take the variable u out of our answer, so we should replace it with what it is equal to, and that means the final answer is 3x squared over x cubed plus 2. So this is the chain rule, where we have a function inside of the logarithm. The derivative of the logarithm of g of x, where we have some function inside of our logarithm. The general formula is 1 over g of x times g prime of x, or g prime of x over g of x. So we can think of this as being the chain rule version of this equation here. The ordinary derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. The chain rule derivative of natural log of x is 1 over g of x times g prime of x, or more simply, g prime over g.